Hello, my name is Jay, and welcome back to my Tech Vault. And sadly, as the story goes, my desk is a little full. I don't know how you guys can see this, but my desk is absolutely completely full of stuff. So for right now, we're using the computer to make a quick video, and this is something I've wanted to do for a while because it's a gold mine, and I hope you guys get as much amusement from this as I do. So if you're unfamiliar, a lot of YouTubers have an email that they put in their channel. That way people can email them for like reviews if they want like someone to make a review of their product. So if you're unfamiliar, I do that. I have a couple, some notable companies like Be Quiet has sent me some stuff. Some like notable companies that I really like appreciate them to send me stuff, and I make reviews on it and I do that stuff and I move on. But there's a lot, I would say about maybe 50% of the stuff that I get is laughable. At the least, I blurred out a lot of this stuff though because while I think it's absolutely hilarious, I also don't want to cause hate on these people. They don't deserve it, but some of this stuff is absolutely ridiculous. And we're starting with this one because this one is by far the best. There's one at the end I'll put that's also quite good. So usually what happens is they might just send me something that's the wrong thing. They might be I'm a tech channel, but they'll send me something like someone has sent me this a makeup desk. It's happened before. So yeah, they wanted to send me that, and while I don't need it. I also, for my mentality of this channel is if this is a tech channel. This is something that a channel that's mostly around computers. I really think that if I want it, I should make a review on it because what I want, what I think is cool, what I think is unique, and usually some of the stuff that I get, like some of the wireless earbuds, I just give away. Actually, a good bit of stuff that I've gotten, I've actually ended up giving away. But I think of it like the standpoint of, as someone that has, love of computers and stuff, is this something interesting and this is something that I would want, and then therefore I would go through and make a video based off of that. If I don't want it, then why the heck should I make a video about it? Why the heck should I get a product and why should I make advertise it to you all as something you should buy when I don't even want it? So that's kind of my mentality about this. So going forward, just kind of know that a lot of this stuff, some of the stuff may be off, and I'm not causing hate on them. They just a little mixed up some of the, I guess, how this channel works or what the channel's about. And there's been stuff that's pretty close, and then there's been stuff that's laughable, which you'll enjoy this video. So without further ado, let me stop talking and let's get into the goldest of the goldest. So here we are. Hi Jay, how are you? This person had already emailed me once, and I just left them unread because I think this was. I think what they wanted to do is sometimes companies will ask you to make a review and then they refund you, and I really don't like that because that kind of makes it seem like they're paying you for the review, and based on the review they'll pay you. I've actually had, I think once or twice a long time ago, maybe a year ago, one of my first I guess reviews that I got stuff for, they ended up scamming me out of it. They didn't like what I said and they just didn't pay me back. So that's why I've had a really bad experience, I guess, with it. So I don't like it at all. So I just they told me, hey, we'll refund you after you make the review, and I left them unread. I'm not even gonna deal with that. So then a month later, I'm sorry for the last email. Please forget it. I need your support from a place in the future. I want to develop in this industry for a long time. How about a free production for making a positive review on Amazon? So I don't do guaranteed reviews. That's like one of my pet peeves. Growing up, a lot of people would always talk about how YouTubers get paid out to do stuff. Heck freaking no. I don't. This channel does not make enough money for me to even come close to considering it. So I prepay you to PayPal, including the transfer fee. I'm looking forward to your time to reply. And I had to really get in there and clarify that this is what they were asking because this is gold mine. Hello, I do not guarantee positive reviews. That's the summary of this channel right here. If you're confident in your product and it is of decent quality, then it should be a positive review. And that's true of anything. If it's a good product and it's something that I like, it should be a positive review. That's how I make my reviews. I also make a video about the product, and I think what I said earlier, a positive review on Amazon, because I mainly focus on doing videos. I think I've only done one review on Amazon, and that's because they wanted me to. And it was actually, I think, like Be Quiet or something. Not Be Quiet. It was another good earbud, but it was a good pair of earbuds that actually I still have today. So that's the only time I've really done an Amazon review. And then also just talking about I'm about 10 days ahead on videos, so just giving them a heads up that it may take a while. And that's because I've been on vacation for the last week, and that's kind of why the desk is a mess, and that's kind of why this whole situation is happening. So, yeah. And then it says, "Hi Jay, thanks for your quick reply. We would like to prepay you and respect your time, but I just request a positive review on Amazon. Looking forward to your timely reply. Regards, this guy." That was it. I haven't said anything back. I am not dealing with that whatsoever. So, actually, let me get this file up here. But as you can see, I'm not interested on that one. Okay, so here's the next one. Now, as I said, some of these things, they just get the channel wrong. But it doesn't take but a quick glance on my channel to see, I don't think this meets the criteria. So pretty much it just said, hello, we do electronics. Another one of my pet peeves is when a company says, we have a product we want you to review. There's a wide range of products out there. It could be a nice computer case. Okay, cool. Love that. Something computer related. Okay, general. Actually, heck, this external hard drive that I just got for, I think made a review on a couple weeks ago. I love it. But when they say we have a product to review, and no pictures, no information, they just says, please contact us. Oh, so okay. Sometimes I do it. I'm like, okay, what do you got? And this can be anything from a makeup desk, a baby pacifier, I think I've got once, or wheels. I don't even know what would I put that on. Or something computer related. So it's really a nice little roll of the dice, and all of a sudden you see what you get. And I think I said this, it's hard to commit, and I can't spell at all. I think I must have been a little tired. So hey, it's hard to commit to review without ever seeing the product. Please send me an Amazon link so I can get back to you, Jay. Okay, pictures also are kind of a little annoying, because if you get pictures, you're like, okay, well, what is this rated? What am I going to be doing something that's a piece of garbage? I'm not going to review a piece of garbage because I'm already going to know it's going to be a piece of garbage. So I like to see Amazon, like some type of link to it so I can see all the information about it, like if it's really interesting or not. And they're just like, yeah, here's some pictures. And I don't know, after that you kind of can tell that I'm not too interested. So this one right here, this is another gold one. This is quite good. So if it doesn't alarm you that certain logo areas are blurred out on the picture, it should. So, hi, nice to meet you. We sincerely invite you to review our white noise sound machine for free on Amazon. This product may help soothe baby and make you fall asleep faster, sleep better, and wake up refreshed with 7 relaxing sounds like forest, ocean, lullaby, streaming crickets, blah 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 blah, and an attached picture. You know, well, I think that it has like a music option. I mean, that might be nice. I have another pet peeve on this channel about getting the same product or a product that's blatantly copied off of another. One of my pet peeves. I've actually had like 3 pairs of the identical same pair of earbuds, only with the logo changed. So you could say a pet peeve of mine would be copied products. Well, what do you know? This doesn't tell you off on that one. They not only did they like pixelate it out, then they went over like a blur. I'm 100% positive that they are either concerned about the name brand or the brand on it, or they're just blatantly copying it. So yeah, that I didn't respond back to that one either. Oh, and this is not necessarily a product, but this is the emails that I get in a business email for people. And I'm going to make a comment about this one. So, hello, sir. I am person, and I like to say I can't afford PCs like you build, but I need one so I can start doing streaming games, blah, blah, blah. So, first off, the one thing I want to talk about on this channel, is most of the PCs that I build, all that stuff, I don't pay for. I actually build them for people. I get paid, and I have a PC and a video to make off of it, and it gets lots of views. So A, it's a win for me because I don't spend any money. I don't know how some of these YouTubers do it. B, someone gets a PC and I get paid. So really, I don't see any negatives to it. Now, the consequence, of course, is people think that I have a whole lot of money. In reality, everything in this setup I've gotten at either yard sales, out of the trash, or bought it myself, used or brand new. And brand new, I've only got my PC brand new. Everything else, the desk here is like passed down from like 3 generations in my family. This stuff is, I am very, very good with recycling and taking advantage of stuff. And also some of the stuff that I've gotten, like this mouse that I'm actually currently using, was a product that I got from a review. Heck, I've got the cable clips and stuff that I've gotten from reviews. So a lot of the stuff that's around here isn't necessarily that I have a bunch of money and I'm rich. I have the $300 GoPros that I use for my cameras that I love to pieces, that I've used every day for the last year and a half. I don't really spend money blatantly, and I definitely don't like throwing stuff away. So I like to fix things, and I can fix things. I have a lot of, that's why I'm going to school. Currently in college for computer engineering, so I can fix some of this stuff. And still, it just blows my mind that people think, and I understand, but I'm not anywhere close to rich. I'm actually in college and I'm kind of broke. Okay, next. So this is not really a bad one. This is just someone saying, hey, USB hub. And this is an example of on the line of what I consider kind of not really what this channel is about. This is for laptops. I don't even have a laptop currently that has a USB-C port. Actually, I think I might have one for work, but regardless, not my cup of tea. And I don't even know. I was searching through my email, and I don't even know how long ago this was sent. But this was a TV antenna. Now, as much as I love free stuff, that requires me to, of course, make a video about it, so technically it's not free. Still, I would not say that a TV antenna is computer tech related. And even farther down this rabbit hole, we have a lamp. I mean, I think that meme died a couple weeks ago, so I'm just going to say that the lamp meme is no longer here. So if we could enjoy the fact that my poor channel is getting, my poor email is getting introduced to a desk lamp. Now, I understand it's supposed to have like USB charging ports and stuff, but like, heck, the lamp that I have over here is literally a jar. I don't know. I'll see if I can show this to you guys. This is off topic because I am extremely sleep deprived. So my lamp over here, on the back here, behind my headphone stand over here, is literally a bunch of pasta in a bottle on top of a cap that's been jerry-rigged to support a lamp. So I have a pretty, actually I like my lamp a lot. It's like pasta from like Italy and stuff, but I like my lamp. I don't need one that bad. I'm sorry. Next. This is good. This is my all-time favorite. So I'm gonna see if I can put this over here so you guys can see it. Dear Jay, we watch your videos on YouTube. Blah 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 blah. We'd like to ask that you review, and here we go. Let's zoom in here real quick. Zoom in. I just want to zoom into something to show you guys how. Oh yeah, I can do that too. Okay. So here we are taking a look at this computer. As you can see, nice computer that has no power. Questionably curious on the wireless capabilities. Can we just admire the fact that there's a iMac with no plugs in here and like a looks like almost like a workstation, or just some type of computer that has no plugs in it either, and a laptop. I mean, everything else, like, it looks fine, but I don't need a desk that bad. As I said, this desk, it's 3 families down and keeps on going. Literally, it's from, like, the Great Depression, before the Great Depression. So it might be a couple more generations, and it's pretty old. But guess what? I like the desk a lot. So, don't need one that bad. Oh, and the makeup. Yeah, I'm sleep deprived, and this is this is actually kind of fun. yeah, this is, in case you can't tell, not a makeup channel. Okay, that's going to wrap up that rabbit hole. Is that 8? That might be 8. That is 8. So that is the last one. And this is the best, because not a makeup channel, and I'm sleep deprived. So I'm gonna go to bed. I've still got to study for some stuff, and I will see you all later. If you enjoyed today's rabbit hole of a video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. It's quite funny. And as always, check out the channel for other cool tech-related news, reviews, builds, etc. And we'll be doing another one of these videos when my email fills up with some more interesting stuff. Don't worry. But thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.